Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, so today freshly we are doing the analysis again, so let me just get rid of some drawings. Okay, so if you guys see, weekly this is a very strong close, okay? So we have space till 45,636, okay? So it has a very high potential of coming to this level and then bouncing back. Till then, let's not get into any trades on Bank Nifty is what I will say, until unless you're not shorting it. Okay, let me just get rid of this. Okay, Nifty also is the same condition. It has eaten both the candles on weekly. You see in daily, now it's creating an inside candle. So if it breaks this low, okay, this low of 21,981, after that we can sell. Let me get it. Okay, so if this low is broken, then we can look forward to sell. Till then we can't sell it, or if it breaks this high 22,120 and above, we can look forward to buy it, not aggressively, only decently, because here we can see patterns forming on both the side. Okay, this is a W pattern from here. It has to break this neckline for it to breach up, and we can see an M pattern trying to form. Even if this forms, this is an M. Okay, this is an M. If this forms clearly and breaks it, then we can short it. That's it for Nifty. We just draw the levels clearly once. Okay, in 1 hour time frame. Got this tool. Okay, so this is the level where we should be looking forward to short it. Post this level is where we should be looking forward to short it, and above this level is where we should be looking forward to buy. Okay, that's simple. I know this is in the middle of both the support and resistance, but these are some very crucial levels which you guys have to keep in mind. Okay, support and resistance doesn't have to be exact touch. Okay, sometimes support will get manipulated, resistance will get manipulated. If you see, this comes till this. You see this manipulated, then up. Now it has to breach this, only then we can sell it. And in 1 hour time frame, we can see there is a very clear trend line going here. We can't add it like this because it doesn't make sense. This is a very clear trend line. It has taken a good rejection from this price and it has come down. So these are the levels I'm looking forward to short it. Okay, so if it crosses anywhere below 21,954 or 955, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Buying, I can buy only post 22,145 and above, nothing before that. Okay, but buying will be a counter trade, so don't do that. Stick to the selling, but there is a very high probability market can go volatile from here, because we saw very good selling last whole week, and now there is a chance it can go sideways. Next, let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, the drawings actually makes a lot of sense already, so we need not do anything new here. If you see daily time frame, this is a very small candle. This is a very small candle which has closed here. Let me remove this, and it has breached below, so it is a selling scenario happening here. Only if it would have closed above 46,680 and above, I would have considered it as a neutral scenario. Because it has closed below that, we are only looking forward to sell it. As I see, this is a SL hits in 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so plot it here, which is good. This is how we can sell this. So anything below 46,558 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. And buying, I can only buy post 47,271, nothing before that. Okay, then we have US oil. US oil, as per plan, it started going up. We started booking profit slowly. So now we are sitting at this level where markets on a sideways. Okay, markets on a very clear sideways. Here it might form a pattern, and after that it can give a breakout, so we can wait for it. So this can form a pattern and then give breakout, but now we are holding this, and my stop loss is at $80.51. 54 cents. Okay. Next is gold. Gold is going down. It will squeeze and then see, this diagram makes sense, I guess, because I drew this, I think, to I think Thursday, and this was Friday's market. Yeah, 15th, this was Friday's market. This is what is happening. So market has to bounce back from here, that is 2153, and then go up. Only then we can look forward to buy it. Till then it is going to create this kind of a pattern, and if it breaches anywhere below 21,000, no, 2145 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, and I don't have any swing trading stocks for at least 2 to 3 days from now, because I want to see I'm a buyer. Okay, I'm not seller. I can do only selling in intraday because I don't have a big capital to do futures. That is the truth. So I don't want to suggest any selling side stock also, because selling happens too quick, and it's quick money, but it's risky also at the same time. It's very risky, because if you go fuse a lot, your quantity size will be bigger. It might be exceeding your risk appetite. So let's not do that. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. This is just my view on the market, and I have started posting shorts regularly. Please support that too, and I'll be posting some interesting shots. It won't be like same analysis kind of thing. It will be interesting. It will cover a lot of things. So follow that too. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.